Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to activate and turn on your SIM card on your Android phone. So whether it's an eSIM or just one you place into your phone, swipe down from the top right and then go to settings right here. And then we're looking for network and internet. Then choose your mobile network on the top. So we can just choose this right here. And then we have our eSIM, so we can go to add eSIM, or I have my SIM on the top. So if you have something plugged in, it should show up under here. And just go to use SIM and turn this on. Now this phone won't work with this SIM because I'm in a different region. So just go to turn on right there if you have something in your phone, or you can erase it. Now if you have an eSIM, you can go to the option right below it. So we can go to mobile and go to add eSIM, and then set up or transfer your eSIM from another device right here. So checking network information, and I should be able to set it up now, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your6 Studios.